up your baggage and get ready to get off before the train arrives at your stop. If you do not remember the combination number of the lock, you can get your baggage at the terminal station.
Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog, and now I am back in Japan. Hindi ko naman first time dito sa Japan, pero for this trip, I'm planning to visit Nagano to see the snow monkey. It's always been matagal na siya nasa bucket list ko since nang nakita ko siya sa YouTube. So, puntahan natin ngayon tomorrow. I-book at 2 o'clock. Para hassle free na. I'm staying dito sa Shinjuku. And today, ang plan ko is puntahan yung Shinjuku Garden kasi para nakikita ko sa
Sige, sa mga right ate, kasi
nakita ko sa YouTube, sa TikTok. Meron daw. Meron na. Share blossom. So, let's see kung meron na talaga. Ano pa ba? So, yun lang. Let me finish muna this meal na napakarami. Ano kung paano ko ubusin ito. I wish I can take it aside. Parang hindi ka mo pwede mag-take out ng tirang pagkain sa Japan. Pwede ba? Okay. Sige, plating ko lang ubusin. So guys, dito na ako sa Shinjuku Garden. Meron na talaga siyang cherry blossoms. Look at that. It's super rare. One ticket, please. So we're in. The ticket is 500 Japanese yen. I think that's around 200 pesos roughly. Yeah, let's explore sa Shinjuku Garden. I've been here before, pero parang mabilis lang. Parang isang ikot lang ganun. Hindi ko na-explore as much as I should have. So, yeah, ikutin natin. We have a lot of time today. And, yeah, yun lang. Dati hot kayo mamakit.
Dati hot kayo.
Shiba to. That's it. Hey guys, good morning. This is officially my second day here in Japan. Today's itinerary is Nagano. I booked the trip to Klook. It's supposed to be like one whole day trip. Tapos, ang meetup place is dun sa ano. Mali ata. Mali ata. Ang meetup place is dun sa Shinjuku Love Object. Based sa map, ano lang siya, about 15 minutes walk. I have enough time naman, so maglalakad lang ako going there. Tapos, doon na lang din ako sa area mag-breakfast. Yeah. So, follow me along today. So guys, we're on our way to Nagano, and yung tour namin made a quick stop dito sa rest stop. Para mag-CR. Yun lang. Hey guys, it's another day here in Tokyo. I'm currently here in Asakusa, and ang plano ko today is to explore Sensoji Temple and kumain dito kasi maraming street food dito sa area namin. So yun lang, I'll show you around. So guys, from Sensoji Temple, a few blocks away lang. I think it's called Sumida Park. Basta malapit siya sa Maynila. Tapos across the river, you can see the Tokyo Skytree.